Have you seen
What is it?
the last video? I know you probably didn't see me, but you're about to see me. Hey! Hello. You probably seen the dog video where my mom, JK, knows my uncle's girlfriend. I posted that one on YouTube. This one's going on YouTube too. I hope all my friends see it. I hope everyone else sees it. By the way, give me a like on that puppy video and this video. By the way, shh, come here. Lola! Come here, crazy dog. Come here, crazy dog. Come here, crazy dog. Come here. Look what it is. Probably can't see us, huh? Lola's going to my puppy. Okay. And fluffy dog. Uh-oh. Sit down, Lola's. I got the dog right here. Look, there's a ghetto. She's so big and grumpy. Ah! Whoop! Rah! 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 Look at the camera. Look at the camera, doggy. Look. And I was trying to get her. Look at the camera. I ate this. Ah! Ow! Puppy's attack my camera. Guess she doesn't like it, so go. Peace out. Give me a like and subscribe.